I'm Lionel Rouquayrol. I'm working for the French Space Agency. And the French Space Agency is the French National Space Organization. We develop space instruments in cooperation with NASA, other organizations. Our job is to perform the integration, the test of the instruments or satellites before launch.
My name is Theodore. I'm in charge of assembly and testing satellite at Toulouse. MMX is a little rover. We go on a Mars moon named Phobos. In this project we use 3D printing to make parts, to assembly and test the rover.
Okay, with the traditional way of making specific tools is to design it, to send it to a manufacturer, wait for some days to have the tools, test it in a cleaning room, make a new design, send it back to the manufacturer, and that took some weeks. With the 3D printing, we design it and print it the first time, test it on the satellite. 3D printing, we can use it in a day.
At the beginning we have only one 3D printing and it was capable to do only one material. Now with INTAMSYS 610 and 410 we are capable to do all the material you want, like polycarbonate, PIC, ULTEM, allow us to use 3D printing in more complex parts. The ease of use of INTAMSYS 610 is really impressive. Even if we use a specific material like ESA PIC, we use INTAMSYS PIC profile. We change only few parameters and it's okay. We can have the first part to use on a clean room.
This part was printed with the INTAMSYS 610. So the material is the API 9085 from INTAMSYS. That was fully printed in one shot. Before I make an instrument on the satellite, we make a prototype to put it under a stratospheric balloon. In the stratospheric area there is no atmosphere, there is a very thin atmosphere. So we have to test new propellers like this one. So the good thing for us, for the mechanical engineer, the design is qualified for this prototype. But for us it is also good because on the same test, the material of INTAMSYS, the PEI, was also qualified. So now we know we can use it in a vacuum chamber without outgassing, which impact the performance of the optic.
We make a roadmap and we want to develop more and more the use of 3D printing on space industry. If we consider that there is only few parts on satellite and the parts are more and more complex, the role of 3D printing will be larger in the future in space industry, on satellite and on rover and spacecraft.